homies, it's your homegirl Natalie. Yes, I am a woman with a Hello Kitty pajama set. Bam! That's right, confidence. I mean, granted, I'm just in my house, so like, who am I showing anyways? But then again, I'm showing it to the internet, so there's that. But I'm gonna be showing you spring outfits, but they are all going to be vintage finds. The video ended up being more so like how to style thrifted outfits, possibly for spring. Now I say spring, but honestly, like this weather that's outside right now, it could be spring, it could be winter, or it probably is gonna be summer in like tomorrow. You know, people go thrifting. Sometimes you're like, I can't find anything, like nothing looks cute. When it comes to thrifting, you really gotta see past the actual clothing item and see its future. All right, you gotta guardar mercado este cosa and give it mucho amor. Because you really gotta see, like, if you added this, this, and that, where can it be? So when I go thrifting, I try to look at its future. Also, this video is being sponsored by Squarespace. Thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get into it. Alrighty, y'all, we're starting with the big guns. Right off the top, I have this beautiful vintage coat that I bought when I was in high school, I think. It is reversible. I think I might have a dress that might go with this. Think about living by yourself and you gotta zip up dresses and stuff. Hey, she did it. Woo! I'm gonna just put on these boots. Because my hair is so greasy, I'm also gonna put on a beret. I think the beret works, but it's not necessary. So I'm just gonna, oh, yeah, I'm really liking this. Because it has some tints of green and yellow. Let's see how it would look like in the yellow. There you go, outfit number one, done. The good thing about getting a pattern, color combination is already on the actual piece. So the easiest thing is just to look at it and to take any color from there, add that into the other pieces that you're gonna wear with it, and you basically have your outfit. Cute. She look cute. And also, of course, don't be afraid of mixing patterns. Just gotta do it, man. If you like something and you think it looks cute, then just wear it. Next up is this little blouse that I recently just thrifted. Now I gave you that Tiger King vibes. No! I bought so many of this satiny type of blouses. My girl gonna be looking like Tiger Queen. So normally when I look at just styling in general, one, I think about how I want to showcase this, or I really think about the feeling. What does it make me feel? For this particular piece, I think I'm gonna go with something that kind of just matches with it. And I do have a skirt that has some purple in it, so let's see how that goes. Hopefully it doesn't look too bad. I don't know. I just really like it. And that's okay, because we're allowed to make mistakes. Style this next, and we're just gonna focus on this skirt. Okay, we back. Outfit really makes you feel like Esmeralda from The Hunchback of Notre Dame. I'm gonna put on my Chanel bangs. The reason why the other combination didn't work is because they both were trying to have their moment, and there could only be one.
I only have one photo in my hands.
So because this skirt isn't like super bold or anything, I matched the other parts of my outfit to really highlight this skirt, and so that this skirt can have its time to shine. What I also really like about this outfit is that it shows like a little baby bit of skin. How I have this shirt tucked is basically highest point is right in the middle. You have like the semicircle, so it really gives you the illusion that you have like a more of a cinched, snatched waist. For this shirt, I'm gonna try to take that Joe Exotic look out of my head and make it a little bit more, I don't know, sophisticated. I changed into some dark denim because dark denim always looks a little bit more sophisticated than just regular blue jean. Pairing it with something that's a little bit dark is letting it have its moment. All right, so we got this. All right, we're gonna go for a little bit more art ho. I'll be right back. Ladies and gents, are you ready? Bam. Bam. Yeah, okay, go me. Very casual, but still very cute. You know, the number one key point to any arho outfit is a beret, and you already know I got a whole bunch. Luckily, I had some purple mules that went perfectly. I'm really happy that I redid this outfit. I think that the other outfit wouldn't have given either piece any justice. Quick tip, which I already talked about in my how to pose, give you a little something. See how I'm wearing these mules? Obviously, they're giving me no height, but I'm going to take this photo right now for this thumbnail. Bam, bam, bam. There we go. Point that toe. You're a ballerina. She's cute. She's still cute, but she's just tall. Blur. And cute. Let me tell you about these jeans, okay? I found them in the men's section. This is so tacky that I love it. So like in your face. Thinking about it was like, okay, Natalie, if you just pair it with like a black turtleneck, let's say like beret, I don't know, it could look very chic. So ladies and gents, that's what we're gonna do right now. So plan of attack is to make these very masculine jeans look a little bit more feminine, maybe a little bit classy. This outfit, if you don't add too many other layers for it, it's still definitely good for spring and definitely on one of those more chillier, windier nights, days. Oh damn. So the fact that this stuff isn't that loose, that means I gained weight. Oh well, because these jeans are very like loaded, like they're thick, they're big, they're chunky. I could wear boots if I had the leg length, but because I don't want to make my legs look any stockier, so instead I'm gonna go for these little babies. Best thing about adding strappy heels, especially ones like these where you show a lot of that skin, like it makes your foot look a little bit, you know, thinner, longer, and of course also it adds in that extra little touch of class. Ooh, she's looking cute. I really want to add a beret so badly to this look.
Must resist.
I'm thinking, all right, girlfriend, we could go French in that sense with wearing that beret, but we could also achieve that feminine touch with a little scarf detail. And I'm gonna add in these little gold hoops from Ana Luisa to go with the gold in these jeans. Oh my God, I love this outfit so much. Uh-oh, the sun has gone down, it's about to rain. I think I only have like 5 outfits. Now here is this other little dress. It's a plain little simple dress that I thrifted in Tokyo. I want to make it look a little bit more vintage. So with this little orange belt playing on with the colors, I have these really cute flower earrings that I also got from Japan, but these aren't thrifted. I think I got them at Spins. This is a dress that I definitely wear a lot during springtime and summertime because of the material that it is. I feel like this outfit is going to benefit a lot from wearing little cowboy boots. This is a very simple and easy, quick outfit, but because it's springtime, right? And sometimes when you go outside, it ends up being a little bit colder. So if you don't want to bring a whole jacket, something that I suggest to you is bringing a sweater with you. Now this isn't actually thrifted. My mom knitted this, and there you go. Have something like this, kind of like neutral with little pops of more vibrant colors. And the good thing about wearing the sweater is that one, you could have it as like, you know, just an accessory, or when you're actually cold, put on this chunky sweater. You could just play around with it so that it doesn't look as potato-y, and that's it. Beep, 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 beep. A lot of people tend to just do it this way, and then this way it's not that cute. So what we want to do is make sure that the neck folds over. Yeah. I don't know if that was a random little tidbit, but just FYI. Next we're going to style this Moto Jacket that I thrifted from Vim Prime. I was like, wait, do I have any thrifted black tops? Luckily I do. You already know we're gonna do it with this beautiful skirt. Make this button up into a really cute crop top. The rest of this that's sticking out, I'm just gonna tuck underneath my bra. We could go feminine or we could go tough. Maybe it's time to put on these stomp. It's a little bit questionable because I decided to choose these chunky ass boots. It looks more so like, don't play with me, I'm gonna play with you. I really love the juxtaposition of this boho chic, very tough. Just keep it moving. The sun is out for like, I don't even know how long, but she coming through real quick. Next we're gonna style this sweater. Really freaking cool. This is from the Seoul Olympics from 1988, as obviously you can see because you got eyes. So we're gonna do lines of making just a very basic outfit, but making it look cute and not having just this big old sweater. Here's a little base. We have just some regular jeans. Now I'm gonna put on these little taquitos. Very comfortable for springtime, for summertime. Now this is like, okay, yeah, sure, whatever. Pop this over the bra. That's it. Now look at this shit. Cute. Now I'm gonna pop on a beret just because I feel like I just want something a little bit more. And there we have it. Final evolution of this outfit. You know, we took a very basic little sweater. That little crop action just really does a big difference. And I always really like showing my midriff. Going back to the spring type of vibes, here I have this little cute skirt. Very girly, so that's what we're gonna go for. We want to make this girly little outfit. I'm gonna pair it with this super cute little sheer top that I recently got. The next thing, for the little added pop of color, I got this scarf here, and it does have some hints of blue. It matches perfectly. So, oh my god, look at her. Ah, she cute. Oh wait, what we're gonna wear on our feet? We're gonna wear these puppies, and these are from ASOS. I definitely would suggest if you're wearing any type of mini skirts, please wear some safety shorts. Trying to like bend down, do anything, and you know men are nasty, so stay safe. So I decided to take out the little knot because I just thought it was too much going on. We wanted to more streamline the outfit. Yo, I absolutely adore this outfit. This is so cute. You know what's the coolest thing about this skirt? It has pockets, like legit pockets. Especially when you're mixing patterns and textures and everything like that. What definitely always helps is if you have relatively the same shade of something. So, you know, we got the blue, 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 and blue. And if you look at the color wheel, we got some complementary colors. That is orange, so that's why it goes together. We're going to be styling these corduroy pants. Actually, this looks cute, but what are these things making me feel? Let's see what I can find in my wardrobe. All right, so I put on a belt with these pants because they're too oversized, and then you're gonna just throw everything to the back. I also found this little cute top. Thank God, this is already quite thick want something light, so I'm gonna go for this. This is actually probably one of the oldest thrifted stuff that I have. And I just threw on some little black booties, so it goes with the black in the belt. So this is our look, regardless if it's thrifted or not. When you're pairing any type of oversized or like chunky type of pair of pants, you always want to go something that's a little bit more tighter up top so that this gets more accentuated. So your hips will look a little bit bigger. So you're like, boom, boom. The last piece is going to be this amazing blouse. I'm so sad that this light is not going to give it justice. This along with this, like I've had the beginning of high school. What can I wear this with? You want to do something a little bit more special. I think I found something that might work. I feel like this looks cute. Okay, I think these might just do the trick. I'm about to. When in doubt, put on some white pointy boots. Here is our final look. I think this looks good. Let me just double check. Put on some silver earrings to go with the little silver detail that's here, and in these shoes. I'm really like short on time, so was this the best I could have done for this shirt? I'm not sure. Because this is so big, I could either A, go for something that's also quite big on the bottom and just a little bit more cinched up the waist, so it gives me again that faux hourglass shape, or I instead went for a little mini skirt. So the reason why this pairs well with this skirt is because the skirt has a hint of blue, so it matches with the top up here. Yay, we're done. Also, a really huge thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace has really great tools for you to use when making your website. From things like their built-in image editor, you can resize your image, you can crop, you can rotate. I go ahead and export in the original file size. When I import these images onto Squarespace, I don't have to go ahead and make sure to cut every single time. It could all be done on their image editor. They also have e-commerce templates with a simple checkout process. And if you're selling something, they also have merchandising features to make sure that your product looks their best. People are gonna look at it and be like, ooh, I wanna buy that. You know? This is also something that I enjoy, and that is their mobile feature where they will show you what your website will look like on your device. If you've been thinking about making a website, homies, to showcase your abilities to the world, whether that is you have a podcast, you're a blogger, you make little hats for cats, which I think would be really cute, and you need an all-in-one platform to do so, Squarespace is the one, homies. Recommend going on to squarespace.com to do a free trial, and then when you're ready to launch, head on over to squarespace.com/yohomegirl to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. That is it, homies. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I know a lot of people right now are going through so much stuff. Me being here in Korea, things are definitely looking up. I'm just here to show you that, yes, you know what, there is going to be a day where you're going to be able to go back into your normal life. However, a very big however is if you stay in your house. Right now, the best thing that you can do for yourself, for your loved ones, is to stay at home. That is the safest place that you can be. Please stay safe. Please stay in your damn house. And I hope that this whole thing can be over for you soon. But until then, don't lose hope. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.